Hey everybody, Jazz here today and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a power hour, and this power hour is in collaboration with some other lovely ladies here on YouTube. Now for those that don't know what a power hour is, it is where you try to do some type of cleaning, decluttering, or organizational things within an hour. So without further ado, let's do this. Begin the timer for an hour.
1 hour, starting now.
Let's go. This is why I need to have things organized, because I forgot where I placed this. Alright, now I need to move on to the next step, which is cleaning this microwave, because it is not the best. It's not dirty, but it ain't clean, pristine, you know what I mean? Not Go ahead and tidy up some things in this refrigerator. I'm not going to do a deep clean, just tidy up a couple of things. Maybe go through some things real quick and we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, so this drawer here, I have been needing to reorganize it. You see that I have these things that are not the best. These containers, they work, but they're not my favorite. And I had this Dollar Tree paper in here, so I'm going to take that out. And then I did this some time ago, but it's not my favorite. But right now I'm just going to just wipe it down a little bit. Echo, how much time do I have on my timer?
You have 31 minutes left on the 1 hour timer.
I have 31 minutes left on my time, people. So this tray here, beautiful tray that it is, it expands. Not that you guys can see that, but anyway, this is a tray that I am going to be using to place in here, and it fits in perfectly. Yes, I'm happy. This tray was purchased from Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. I ended up getting this yesterday. I think that this is going to work really well in, as you can see, this particular drawer here. And it does expand if you need it to. But I am just not going to need to do that today because this is the perfect size drawer for this. But anyway, so I'm just going to take out my Okay, now it is time for me to clean the floors. So I'm getting ready to sweep and mop the floors. Okay, you know what, people? Before I mop the floors, I'm going to start a load of laundry. I need to do my towels, so let's do that. Okay, you guys, so I have finished mopping the floor. So now all I need to do is try and put up all the chairs and things back in place before the alarm sounds. I forgot to empty the trash, so let's do that. I think we are done, people. We are done. That alarm should be getting ready to sound off any minute now. Well, this power hour is done. I am happy I got some things accomplished. This time I was able to finish most things within an hour. Now my clothes are still washing, but I'm just happy that I get a chance to get them started. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm losing my breath there, girl. Bye. Anyway, I thank all the ladies for participating in today's challenge. Be sure to check out their videos as well. A link in the description box of all the ladies that are going to be participating in today's challenge will be down in the description box. Be sure that you check out their videos. Please check out their videos and support them as well. Like this video because it really helps my channel. Be sure to subscribe for more content like this. I usually do cleaning, decluttering, and organizational type of videos. That is what my content is all about. If you like that, stick around for a while and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.